Juicing is a popular way to kickstart your day with a burst of nutrients and energy. However, finding the right juicing bottles can be a challenge. In this article, we've rounded up the best juicing bottles available in the market, so you can make an informed decision and enjoy your freshly squeezed juice in style. Juicing is a popular way to extract the nutrients and vitamins from fruits and vegetables. The produced juice is a rich source of essential nutrients required by the body. A good juicing bottle retains these essential nutrients, making it necessary to choose a bottle that is capable of preserving nutrients rather than losing them. When selecting a juicing bottle, consider materials that are non-reactive with juices and can maintain their freshness. Most commonly used materials include glass and plastic. However, plastic bottles can leach chemicals, while glass bottles are more delicate and prone to breakage. Stainless steel bottles are an excellent choice for their durability, non-reactive nature, and resistance to leaching. They are also easy to clean and maintain. Why should I invest in a juicing bottle rather than using a regular container? Juicing bottles are designed to hold freshly squeezed juices for extended periods without affecting their taste or quality. They usually have airtight seals and anti-leak features, preventing any spills or oxidation. This preserves the nutrients and vitamins found in the juice, resulting in a healthier and more flavorful experience.